If your shoulders feel tight, achy, or stuck, just stretching more isn't the solution. Your shoulders are complex and have a lot of moving parts. They need your shoulder blades, upper back, and spine all working together. So for the next 30 days, I want you to do these 3 movement patterns 3 times a week. They will help restore the movement, strength, and control your shoulders' need to feel better. We are starting with dolphin presses. This is one of my favorite movements because it trains how your shoulder blades move around your rib cage. If your shoulder blades don't move well, reaching overhead, pressing, and even basic posture can start to feel restricted. Start in an elbow plank with your forearms on the floor and your elbows under your shoulders. From here, press through your forearms, push the floor away, and lift your hips up and back. As you press up, think about your shoulder blades moving apart and wrapping around your rib cage. You should also feel your lats opening as your arms move overhead. That's important because tight lats can make overhead reaching feel stiff or limited. Then slowly lower back down into your plank position with control. Don't just drop into the bottom, control the movement both ways. Press up, push the floor away, open through the shoulders, then return slowly. Start with a range you can control. As this gets easier, try to move a little deeper while still keeping the movement smooth. Aim for 8 to 10 slow reps. Next, we are moving into shoulder swimmers. This helps strengthen the muscles around the upper back and shoulder blades, especially the lower traps. And this is important because when these muscles are weak, your neck and upper traps usually start doing too much work. Lie on your stomach with both hands behind your back. I like to place an object near my side so I have a target to clear as I move my arms around. Raise your hands off your back. This starts by training shoulder internal rotation. Then slowly bring your arms around your body. As your arms move forward, rotate your thumbs up and bring your shoulders into external rotation. Once your arms reach overhead, finish with a small wide raise and squeeze at the top. That top position is where you should feel your lower traps working. Be careful not to shrug your shoulders up. We are not trying to turn this into a neck or upper trap exercise. Think about reaching long, keeping your shoulders away from your ears, and squeezing through your upper back. Move slowly, stay in control, and only use the range you can actually own. Aim for 8 to 10 reps. As you get stronger, you can add light weight, but don't rush that. Clean control matters more than making it harder. The last movement pattern might be the most overlooked. Modern life has us sitting for long periods without moving through different ranges of motion. Over time, the upper back loses rotation and extension, and when your spine stops moving well, your shoulders usually feel it. We are starting with thread the needle. Get on your hands and knees, reach one arm across your body and let your shoulder and arm rest toward the floor. Then take your top arm and rotate it over your body. You should feel this through your upper back, not just your shoulder. Move slowly, breathe, and let your mid-back rotate. Do 8 to 10 slow reps per side. To finish, we are working on T-spine extension. Your upper back spends so much time rounded forward, so now we want to restore the opposite direction. Use a foam roller, bench, or whatever setup you have available. Support your head with your hands and gently extend through your upper back. Try not to just arch through your lower back. Keep your ribs controlled and think about opening through the mid and upper back. Take slow breaths, move with control, and let your shoulders move from a better position. Try these routines 3 times a week for the next 30 days. Stay consistent, move slowly, and your shoulders should start feeling stronger, smoother, and a lot better. I will see you in the next one.